Okay, so if you're watching this video, that means you tried these ones out, but you didn't quite get them. Darn, that's okay, we'll go through them. So let's talk about the first one. X over 3 equals 8. So one way that you can think about this is what number, if you divide it by 3, gives you 8. Another way that we can do this is by using opposite operations. X over 3 is another way of saying x divided by 3. The opposite operation to division is multiplication. So we are going to multiply. So I'm going to do multiply 3. And we write it here on the side. Now, since this is an equation, whatever I do here, I have to do here. So I'm going to write times 3 over here as well. Now, the 3's on the left side cancel each other out. And what I have left is x equals 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So that's my answer. Now we can always check our work by going back to the original equation and putting our answer in for the variable. So I'm going to write 24 in brackets divided by 3 equals 8. And then you can take out your calculator if you want and just double check. What is 24 divided by 3? Hint, it's 8. So that means it's right. Okay, that's the first one. The next one. 7 equals d over 5. So let's use opposite operations. D over 5. It's just another way to say d divided by 5. The opposite operation here is multiplication. So we are going to multiply this by 5, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to multiply this by 5. Okay, then these 5's cancel out. And I have left 5 times 7 equals d. 5 times 7 is 35. So my answer is 35 equals d, or d equals 35. These are both correct. Now let's double check our work. So I'm going to write the original equation again. And I'm going to substitute my answer in for my variable. So I'm going to write 7 equals, and then in brackets, 35 divided by 5. Now you can take out your calculator if you need to and check. What is 35 divided by 5? Well, it's 7, so that means this is right. Okay, last question. 3 equals p over 7. So p over 7, that's another way to say p divided by 7. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So I'm going to multiply by 7. Since it's an equal sign, whatever I do to this side, I have to do to this side. So I'm going to multiply that by 7 as well. These 7's cancel. And what I have left is 7 times 3 equals p. 7 times 3 is 21. So your answer could be 21 equals p, or it could be p equals 21. Now let's go back to that original equation, and let's put it in to make sure. 3 equals p over 7. So I'm going to replace p with 21. Of course, when we substitute, we have to put things in brackets. Now you can take out your calculator if you need to and do 21 divided by 7. The answer is 3, so that means this is right.